motor almost ready to go in. Got the chain hooked up. Got the hoist about to get hooked up. Then we're gonna bolt the clutch and flywheel on. Get ready for test sitting the motor into the chassis. We'll see how that goes. All right, got the motor off the stand successfully. I had to kind of rig it a little bit with some floor mats and hoped I didn't damage anything, but I didn't hear any cracks or pops, so I think we're okay. And then now I can focus on the rear main seal, pull that automatic pilot bushing out, install the manual bushing, and then clutch and flywheel is ready to go. I still have it all bolted together from when we did the measurements in the last video, but it is getting really close. And we got the transmission over here as well. So everything is near ready. All right, we got the Z1 clutch and flywheel torqued and installed. And so the flywheel is, you want to put a little bit of Loctite, 65 foot-pounds, and you go into star pattern. And the pressure plate, there's a pattern that you can look up online. I numbered each bolt just to make it easier, and that's about, these are ARP bolts that I used. Put a little bit of blue Loctite as well, and 25 foot-pounds on each one. So we got them torqued. And then a way to check, make sure everything's good, is that the alignment tool fits in with no effort. That means the input shaft will go in smoothly when you put the transmission onto the block. So we're almost there.
Down.